Hello, my name is Dr. Linda Gorman, and I'm a neuroscientist. That's a really big word, but a neuroscientist is a person who knows a lot about the brain. And I'm here to talk to you about how you can help make your brain healthy. We're going to talk about what it means to be healthy. It's really easy to have a healthy brain, and anyone can do it. I love to talk about brain health because it's spectacular. Spectacular means great. When your brain is feeling spectacular, you're a happy and healthy person. To spell spectacular, you need an S, a P, an E, and a C. And to keep your brain healthy, you also need an S, a P, an E, and a C. Today we're going to be talking about the S, the P, the E, and the C that keeps our brain healthy. So let's see how you can keep your brain healthy. Because our brains are so important and help us with everything that we do, it's important to keep them healthy. But what are some of the things that you like to do? How many of you like to play? Your brain, it helps you to play. How many of you like to eat? Yep, your brain helps you to eat too. Sleep? Yeah, I think we need to sleep a little bit. So yeah, sleeping is a good thing. Your brain helps you. How many of you like to learn to do new things? Your brain really helps you to do that. How many of you like to hug your teddy bears? Or hug your parents? Or hug your friends? Brain helps you to do that. Today, what we're going to talk about is how to keep your brain healthy so you can do all those things that you like to do. It's really easy, and like I said, anyone can do it. First, you may be thinking, what does healthy mean? Healthy means that you feel good. So if your brain is healthy, that means your brain feels good. What's a word that means that you don't feel good? What do you think? Don't feel good. If I don't feel good, I might be sick. That's right. Here are two brains. One's a healthy brain and one's a sick brain. Do you think you can tell the difference between what the healthy brain looks like and the sick brain looks like? I bet you can. How many of you thought that the healthy brain was the one that looks like it's running? Yep, that's the healthy brain. And look at this poor little sick brain. He's not feeling good. He has a thermometer in his mouth because he probably has a temperature. Sometimes you have a temperature, which means you feel hot when you're not feeling good. A healthy brain can help you to do all the things that you like to do. It can help you to play, it can help you to eat, it can help you to sleep, it can help you to hug your friends, it can help you to learn how to do new things. Sometimes when your brain is sick, you may not be able to do all of those things. Now, I told you that a healthy brain is spectacular, but what does that mean? Spectacular is a big word, and it means great. Just like Tony the Tiger, he says, "It's great." Well, having a healthy brain, that's great too, because a healthy brain makes you a happy and healthy person, and it lets you do all the things that you like to do. I picked the word spectacular because it helps me remember the 4 things that help to make your brain healthy. Those 4 things start with an S, a P, an E, and a C. Let's look to see what the S, P, E, C means when it comes to a healthy brain. The first thing that helps your brain stay healthy is loving yourself and loving others. That is called being social, and the word social starts with the letter S. Being social means that you love yourself and you be nice to yourself. What's one thing, think about it, what's one thing that you like about yourself? There's probably lots of things, but what's one thing that you like about yourself? Well, You may like the fact that you're nice. You may like the fact that you smile. You may like the fact that you help other people. You may like that you're good at playing games. There's lots of things that you can like about yourself. And when you like yourself, then it's easy to like other people. So you have friends. Liking yourself and others means that you are social, and that is a spectacular way to help keep your brain healthy. And that is the S in spectacular. The second thing that helps your brain stay healthy is taking care of your body. That's the P in spectacular. And the P stands for physical. Your body and your brain work together. So your brain has to be healthy to take care of your body. There are 3 physical things that you can do to keep your body healthy. The first physical thing that you can do is to keep your body moving. What are some of the things that you like to do to move your body? Do you like to run around? Do you like to stretch out your arms and move your legs? Anything that you do that moves your body is going to help your body to stay healthy. And if your body is healthy, because your brain and your body talk to each other, then your brain is going to be healthy. So moving, that's the first physical thing that you can do. And it may be doing exercises, but it also may be just playing or going for a walk. Anything that you do to move your body, that's something physical, which is the P in spectacular that you can do. The second physical thing that you can do to keep your body healthy is to eat. What are some of the things that you like to eat? Do you like to eat fruit? Do you like vegetables? Do you like to eat? What are some of the things that you like to eat? Do you like to eat cereal? Eating, that's good for your body and your brain because it gives you energy to do all the things that you want to do. So it gives you energy to move your body. It gives you energy to be nice to other people and have friends. So eating, that's the second physical thing that you can do to keep your body and your brain healthy. And the third physical thing, you may not think you're doing much when you're doing this, but the third physical thing that you can do to keep your brain healthy is sleep. When you sleep, your brain is very busy fixing your body, and your brain is also storing energy so you can do all the things that you like to do. Physical things that you can do to keep your brain healthy are moving your body, eating to give your body energy, and sleeping because sleeping does a lot to take care of your body. Doing all of those things, moving your body, eating, and sleeping, that's the physical, the P in spectacular. And it's a spectacular way to keep your brain healthy. So we've talked about the S, that's social, the P, that's physical. Now we're going to talk about the E. That's the third thing that helps your brain stay healthy. And that's understanding how you feel inside. The word for the things you feel inside, they're called emotions. That's the E in spectacular. There are lots of different emotions. You can be happy, you can be sad, you can be angry, you could be disgusted or afraid or surprised. These are all emotions. Emotions, that's a funny word. Say it with me. Emotions. Happiness is an emotion. Sadness is an emotion. Anger, fear, disgust, surprise, those are all emotions. And understanding that we have emotions and how we can control our emotions is very important to making our brain healthy. Tell me, what's something that when you feel good about something that you're happy about? What are some of the things that make you happy? Puppies always make me happy. I love puppies. What are some of the other things that make you happy? When I'm really hungry and I see food, that makes me happy. When you feel happy, that makes your brain healthy. Your brain likes it when you're happy. In fact, there's a special place in your brain that makes you feel happy. What about sad? What are some of the things that make you feel sad? I feel sad when I have to leave my family. One of the things that you have to remember is that it's okay to feel sad, but when you feel bad, it's also okay to talk to somebody about this, because that can help you feel better. Understanding your emotions and learning how they make you behave, that's a spectacular way to help your brain stay healthy. The last thing that you can do to make your brain healthy is to think, and not just when you're in school. Cognition, that's the word that means being able to think. And cognitive, that's the C in spectacular. Your brain thinks all the time. That's something that you do inside of your head. And thinking actually makes your brain healthy. Now, cognition, thinking, that's something hard to understand. So let's try something. I want you to close your eyes and I want you to think of a dinosaur. When I say think of a dinosaur, did you think of something like this? Or did you think of something like this? Or this? Or this? Ooh, that's a scary one. Did you think of those things when I said think of a dinosaur? When I told you to think of a dinosaur, you probably thought about a picture of a dinosaur that you had seen before, because everyone may have seen different dinosaurs than the ones I showed you. You probably thought of a different dinosaur. Okay, I want you to close your eyes again. Now I want you to open them. Now close them again and think of a dinosaur. Okay, open your eyes. Now, think about it. Which dinosaur did you think about when I told you to think about a dinosaur this time? Raise your hand if you thought it was this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. Okay, because I showed you one dinosaur before you closed your eyes and I told you to think about it, you may have seen this dinosaur because this is the dinosaur that I showed you. Now, you may have seen this dinosaur in your head when I told you to think about a dinosaur, but did you actually see a dinosaur with your eyes closed? Was the dinosaur actually here? No, you thought you could see it in your head. Oh my gosh, does that mean the dinosaur was in your head? Of course not. You were just thinking about a dinosaur. Thinking, cognition, that's the C in spectacular. When you think, that's a way to help your brain stay healthy. Thank you for letting me talk to you today about keeping our brains healthy. I've enjoyed spending time with you talking about the brain because I'm a neuroscientist and I love to talk about brains. I hope that you had some fun and you learned something about your brain. Remember, we can keep our brains healthy by being nice to ourselves and to others. That's the S in spectacular for social. We can also be physical, meaning that we're going to move our bodies. We're going to give our bodies food, energy. We're going to sleep so that we can fix our bodies and conserve our energies. That's the P in spectacular for physical. We're going to be emotional. We're going to understand that it's okay to be happy. It's okay to be sad. And when we're sad, it's okay to talk to other people about it. That's the E for emotions, understanding our emotions and understanding how our emotions make us feel. And finally, we like to think. That's the cognitive C in spectacular. Thinking definitely makes our brain happy. And we know that being social, being physical, being emotional, being cognitive or thinking, that's spectacular. And keeping our brains spectacular means that we're keeping our brains healthy. And helping our brains stay healthy, that's something that we all can do. Thank you so much for all of your help. Remember that brain health, it's not just spectacular, it's fun too. I'd also like to thank Johns Hopkins University for helping us to put on this Brain is Spectacular program, particularly its president, Dr. Ron Daniels. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.